Hi everyone, welcome to 30-something beauty. I'm Cassandra Thompson, your 30-something normal gal who loves beauty, makeup, skincare, all of it, and thought 30-somethings needed a place on YouTube, so here we are. Today we are talking about something that fascinated me, and so I got the set, and that is facial cupping. So that's why I'm here with no makeup in my hair and my little, terry cloth headband thing. This one's awesome, by the way. My friend got me this for Christmas and it stays tight. I don't know if anyone else has had these before, but after a while they like loosen up. This one is on and it stays. But that's not the point of this video. Shout out to wherever this came from. But facial cupping. Has anybody seen these videos on YouTube? I saw it on Instagram first. Sorry, I keep looking down because I'm pulling it out. I saw it on Instagram first and watched, I think it was the woman who owns Farsali do it, and I was blown away and amazed. But I waited and asked for a set for Christmas, and my mom listened to me. So this is the set I got. It has a little one, which I'll show you how to use, another kind of slightly bigger one. These are the face ones, and then these two giant suckers are for body. So this is like that one that you see when people have all those big round circles on their back. But before we get into how to use it, even though I'm sitting here with no makeup on, let me tell you, got my phone out. I looked it up again to see what does it do? What's the benefit of facial cupping? It increases oxygen-rich blood circulation, strengthens skin and connective tissues. You can use it to stimulate fibroblast cells responsible for collagen and elasticity of production. Okay, things I want. Here's the kicker for me. Visibly reduce fine lines and deeper wrinkles. Tone chin, jawline, neck, and décolletage. So I should really be using it down here too. I haven't really done that yet. In fact, I need to be more diligent about using it. But from what I've done so far, I have been impressed by the results. So we are not going to use these two today. Those are body ones. I'm just not, I don't know. I'm not there yet. I should probably try, but haven't done it. We're going to use these two. And I got them on Amazon, and I will, I know they came from Amazon. I will put a link to it below. Just so you know, it's not an affiliate link. Amazon kicked me off. They're like, you haven't sold anything. You don't get to be an affiliate anymore. Anyway, so just know if you click on it, if you're one of those that it bugs you that, oh, it gives the YouTuber money, it doesn't give me any money. So there you go. But I realized I forgot the oil. So let me run to the bathroom and go get it, and I'll be back. Okay, so we're back with oil. Here it is. When I looked up how to do this, it just said you need to use some sort of oil on your face, and I'm like, well, what oil? Like, I don't want to get pricey oil. I'm not really big on oils on my face. I still break out, even though everyone's like, no, oils are good for you. I tend to break out with a lot of them, but I just picked up this Oracacia Balancing Jojoba Oil at like my health food store, and what I do is I'm gonna put this on to be able to use this, and then right after I will take micellar water, micellar water, and kind of cleanse it all off again. I'm gonna scoot in. We're gonna be real close on this one because I want you to see what it can do. I noticed a difference. So put a little oil in my hand. And there is a learning curve to this, and you will probably see in this video that I am still learning because it can take a little bit to suction these. So oil's on my face. So I'm gonna take this and you squeeze, and then it suctions, and you're supposed to, oh, what was on it? How weird. I don't know, brushed up against something. You pull, and I'm gonna do this side of my face first so you can see the difference. It does get a little red at first. It goes away. It's just because it's, you know, circulating your blood and bringing it all to the surface. And then underneath, you pull up. And this is where I have a harder time because I feel like I always have a lot, like my face skin is not tight. I'm turning really red today. Some days I don't. But when I watched the first Ollie person did it, she turned red too. So I don't feel too bad about that. Now, I don't know if you can see, but like this side of my face is already plumper than this side. And then also smile lines. Oh, it makes fun noises. So there's that jawline part. And then the little one, you use, sorry, I'm using the monitor to see like how it's coming out to you. You use on top of your eye. And I think the little one is a little harder for me to get to stick. It's doing pretty good today. Because I have, as we talked about before, I have such a deep crease right here. It has a hard time like suctioning all the way around it. And in that case, you can just keep, what you do is you suction. Let me come in close. I'm gonna hate editing this. You bring it on, you suction, and you just pull off. So if you're kind of sunken in here, it can help with that. Oh, my mouth is making weird noises. I hope it shows on camera, but I am seeing like visible difference between the way this side of the face looks and the way this side looks. Now I want to show you what it does for lips. Because if you are a person, I don't really care about having like big, I like the size of my lips, but if you want big full lips, get ready. Sorry, I'm not tall enough. Can you see how that side's bigger? Crazy. So we'll just finish it off. So, much fuller lips. Now let's finish off my head. The rest of my face. And you can see the red already went away over there. So see, it lessens quickly. This area I'm doing not so much because I want it to be really full, but because I want to prevent wrinkles. I just like the way it feels. It's kind of like a massage. I really should stop now. Okay, if you do it too much, you can bruise your face. This is what I've been told. It hasn't happened to me, so I'm not that worried about it. But hopefully you can see that there's a little bit of a difference in my skin now. I don't know, I might edit this and be like, you can't see anything. But over time, it's supposed to help. I'm enjoying doing it, so I thought I'd show it to you in case you want to go get this little facial cupping set. I think it's around $20, $25. There is a more expensive one. People have done videos and said they're the same. So I would just get this one. But that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe. Join us here. Leave me a comment below. Have you tried facial cupping? If not, are you thinking about trying it now? And with that, you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you might like. So please keep watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.